Hey guys, many people have seen this video about Radioearn. If you didn't, you can check the card here. It's a legit earning online website. I know many of you doubt the exchange rate I explained it in this video. So I wait for today, May 15, to show you the confirmation of exchange rate. You can see in my last video of Radioearn, I have 10 points in my dashboard, and in order to show you the accurate date, I didn't use Radioearn for the whole month. And today, my point has changed to US dollar automatically, which is here. This is what I got. $0.03. 10 points exchange to $0.03, which means 1000 points equal to $3. It's exactly the same I explained it in my videos. You can check whether the username is the same as my last video, and you can see my payout history. I didn't request any payout. I know many of you don't want to believe this exchange rate, but this is true.
1000 points equal to $3. So comment me yes if you know the rate now, and comment me no if you don't want to believe this rate. You can show me your proof in the comment. Please give me a like if you find this video is useful. Subscribe me and open the bell. I'm Madam Q. See you.
If you want to know more detail about Radioearn, you can check this video.